Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Today topic new project TBC. Okay. CAT will launch tuning BitChain TBC sport training and untrailed Candy Drop X TBC trade to share 20,618 TBC. 2025 7 14 7 25 31 UTC 131 sorry 13,938 views. Get will launch Turing BitChain TBC sport trading on July 15, 2025 at 9:58 UTC and will start the Candy Drop airdrop event. Candy Drop is the candy airdrop platform launched by Cat where user can win candy by completing a task and participating in the distribution of the token airdrops. This round will distributed a total of 20,618 TBC during BitChain TBC sport training. Start time July 15, 2025, 9:58 UTC. TBC deposit address www.cat.com my account deposit TBC. BTC TBC trend address www.cat.com trade TBC USDT. Okay. Token ID explore tuning BTC bitchain.io. Okay. Candy Drop event time July 15, 2025. Candy Drop event time July 15, 2025, 9:58 July 22 July 2025 10 UTC. Okay. Total price pool 20,618 TBC. Individual staking limited 100 TBC. Participation method: click the join button on the event interface and after successfully joining post with a according task. Candy Drop with a start continue your valid actually data receive according candy based on a task complete and share the airdrop proportionally. Candies will be distributed 1 3 hour after the user completes the task. Please log in to your check the candies obtained from Candy Drop 3 hours after completing the task. Okay, join now. Sport training prize pool rule. During the event, circulatory sport training volume 5,000 TBC can receive candy with a different candy reward unlocked based on the theories. Reach up to a maximum of nine sharing a prize pool of 20,618 TBC. Sport training volume by volume plus help volume user airdrop the number of candies obtained by the user, the total number of candies obtained by all users multiply to 20,618 TBC. Participating in a TBC sport training activities can earn you the following number of candies. Event detail. Event detail 5,000 TBC sport training volume dollars 7,000 candy 1. Okay, event details dollar 7,000 TBC sport training volume dollars 10,000 candy 3 candy. Okay, sport event details TBC sport training volume dollar 10,000 and candy 5. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Project information TBC. TBC is the pony of the Bitcoin virtual machine BVM and has employed subcapital PTC smart contact layer situation based on a BVM. TBC will help unless the full potential of BTC and solve its conquest problem in the future. BTC will no longer be just a digital code, not just a tool for storing value, but more likely to be used for daily transactions and have a negative smart contract layer like Ethereum. TBC will help BTC create a proposition a BVM ecosystem like EVM will be like EVM after Bitcoin completes a specific BIP proportional upgrade. The recent relationship between BTC and TBC will be like that between Ethereum and ARB token symbol. TBC official website tuning bitchain.io. Important notes: participation must click the join now button on the Candy Drop event page to jump to the tuning bit chain TBC event and complete the event task and identity verification to receive reward. Reward will be distributed to user account will in a within 14 days after the event and the lot, and the total reward pool is 20,618 TBC. User airdrop rewarded the number of candies optioned by the user, the total number of candies obtained by all users multiply 20,618 TBC. Batch registration of fake accounts, volume, self-training, and other flattered activities are prohibited. Multiple accounts under the same validated user will be considered as one account. Sub account are not allowed to participate. Okay, market maker intelligence and effectively account cannot participate in this event in a case of any disappearance between the translated version and the English version. The English version shall prevail. Get.io receive the final interpretation rights for the event. Okay. Cat team July 14 2025 get a way to crypto trade over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on a get Okay, take action now. Sign up and claim up to dollars 10,000 in a welcome reward. Invite friends and earn a 40 percentage commission. Stay connected. Visit Care's official website. Download the Cat app desktop. Follow us on our X Twitter to get more bonuses. Join our Telegram community to discussion trading topics. uh, click our 100% proof of reversal. Okay, thank you so much everyone, thanks a lot, please like, follow, share. Okay, on chain deposit queen TBC network TBC. Okay, okay, recent deposit. Okay, TBC BTC minus 3.06 percentage, GT minus 2.56 percentage, PUMP plus 10 1035.60 percentage, BGSC plus 44.26 percentage, TURPO plus 13.08 percentage, FUN plus 23.29 percentage, 1 INCH plus 6.64 percentage, PANANA plus 13.62 percentage, HAEDAL plus 9.40 percentage, ORCA plus 8.63 percentage, AVAAI plus 24.27 percentage, PENGU plus 9 plus 0.94 percentage. Okay, TBC start time day 0 over 4 minutes 6 and seconds 44. Okay, coming soon. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, thanks a lot, please like, follow, share everyone. Okay, thanks a lot everyone. TBC is the pioneer of the Bitcoin wallet machine BVM and has employed as a stackable BTC smart contract layer situation based on a BVM. Okay, uh, total price pool. Um, uh, TBC 20,618. Okay, registration open 2025 715 1758. Okay, complete task to share 20,618 TBC price pool 20 total tokens 20,618 TBC 100 TBC individual share limited. Okay, complete task and a share price pool. Share price pool log log in and participate 2025 7 15 14 58, 2025 7 22 15 complete task 2025 7 15 14 58, 2027 22 15. Okay, trade 1 BTC, sorry, TBC sport training task 5,000 USDT. Trade 2 is TBC sport training task 7,000 USDT. And trade 3 and trade 3 BTC, sorry, and trade 3 TBC sport trading task 10,000 USDT. Claim up to 100 TBC rewards will be distributed on a 2025 8 11 15. Okay, actually rules during the event, user achieving during the event user achieving 5000 USDT in a TBC sport trading volume. Sum of opening plus closing options can earn up to 9 candy from the 20,618 TBC reward pool. Okay, FAQ, what are the requirement of participate in a candy drop? User participating in a candy drop are required to complete identification and click the join button on the event page only. After successfully joined, will their actually data be consulate market maker, enterprise, and institution are not eligible for participating in this event. Okay. When will candies be distributed after completing task? Candy will be distributed within 1 3 hour after user complete task. Please log in and check the candy option by from candy drop after 3 hours. Uh, Terms and condition. Participation must click the join button on the event page after successfully join the event, complete the event task and identity verification to receive the reward. Okay. Thanks a lot everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like me everyone. Okay. Please like, follow, share. Thanks a lot. Okay. TBC smart contact layer of Bitcoin. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like me, everyone. Please like, follow, share. Okay. TBC is the pioneer of the Bitcoin valued machine PVM and has employment scalable PTC smart contract layer situation based on a BVM. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like me. Please like, follow, share. Okay. What's new at TBC? Okay. TBC network sharing of TBC technical uh, principles. Join the TBC ecosystem. Okay. Get a TBC download a wallet. Okay. Get TBC. TBC a greenfield. Okay. Developer programs. Okay. Business partner. 'Turning BitChain February 5, 2024. Website tuningBitchain.io. Okay. Tuning BitChain TBC. Okay. April 2, 2024. Tuning between May 16, 2024. Okay. May 14, 2024. Tuning between December 12, 2023. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Get Launch Pool FAQ update on a 6/30, 2025. 292,248 view and like 870, sorry, 37 like. What is the Get Launch Pool? Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GTBTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other token to earn hourly airdrop of hot and a new coin with a low enter barrier and high APR. It's an unmated platform for effectively capturing market opportunity. Join now. How to participate? How can I participate in a Get Launch Pool? First, log into your Get account and negative to the Get Launch Pool page. Then close the project you want to participate in and stake your assist. Check the participation guide. Which coin can I stake in a Get Launch Pool? The token eligible for participation will be announced on the minimum page of each project. Please visit the page of Get Launch Pool to visit more detail. How many tokens will be rewarded? Early staking reward, individual latest 1 hour valid staking amount, total pool staking amount, multiply hourly reward pool. The platform will make multiple snapshot of personal staking amount each hours and take the average staking amount as the valid staking amount. How are rewards distributed? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal staking amount hourly and token reward are distributed to eligible user. Hourly earns will be distributed into user spot account. When will the stake assist be remanded? After the user remanded in advance, or the staking is completed, the stake assist will be transferred to simple and by difficult. If this option is unchecked, the stake assist will be remanded into sport assist. If the count of remanded assist is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of simple earn, the assist will be automatically transferred to sport assist. It simple earn does not support the claim of the remanded token, the assist will also be automatically transferred to sport assist. Can I remain my assist at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshot of personal staking amount each hour and each amount each hour and calculate the valid staking amount. However, early remanded any my may result in the loss of the actually reward. Please maintain stable staking amount to ensure minimum reward. Can I add additional staking assist? You can increase your assist stake assist at any time. The more token you can your stake, the agreed great your proportional minimum reward. However, once the reward cap is met, you will not longer receive staking reward. Can I participate in a multiple project at the same time where when there are multiple launch pool project going on at the same time, you're gonna stake in a different pools to receive a new token minimum reward for multiple projects. Each staking pool needs to be staked specifiedly. If you only stake assist in a pool A, you will not be able to option a reward from pool B. You're gonna stake pool A and pool B separately to option the will a minimum reward of a new token. So what is the maximum minimum reward can I receive? The hourly reward the hourly reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached on a further staking reward will be granted. Please refer to the reflect announcement or the minimum page of the reward hard cap limited for each project. Will stake assist in the cat launch pool impact my VIP level? No assist stake in in the get launch pool will be launched in the assist holding circulation for holder airdrop launch and VIP prigging. What will happen to my fund if the project is ended early? In a case of early ending, your staking principal will be automatically remanded as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the over. After the end time, the interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. What about annual percentage rate APR? Okay. When the reward coin is the stake coin APR, total reward listed in the last hour's total stack multiply 365 multiply 24 multiply 100 percentage. When the reward coin when the reward coin is not the staked coin APR total reward listed in the last hour multiply closing price of the reward coin of the last hours total stacked multiply coin closing price of the staked coin of the last hour multiply 365 multiply 224 multiply 100 percentage. The APR is an okay. Thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Please like me, everyone. Please like. Okay. How to participate in a Get Launch Pool update on a 6 to 27 2025. 292,000. Sorry. 29,336 views and like 55. Get Launch Pool is an innovative staking and airdrop platform where user can stake GTBTC, Ethereum, USDT or other tokens to earn early airdrop of a hot and a new coin with a low entry barrier and a high APR. It's the unlimited platform for effectively capital market opportunities. Stake to earn now. How to join stake a launch pool and is cat launch pool and stake to earn a long login to your Get account and negative to launch pool app home launch pool web click earn launch pool choose The stake pool you want to join, click stake and the stake amount, click confirm and complete staking. View reward in a reward history after successfully staking. How to stake to earn. Okay, thank you so much everyone, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Okay, launch pool, quick staking and proportional new tokens. Okay, staked dollars 176.1 million funds listed dollars 29.73 billion. Participation 5.78 million plus and dollars total rewards dollars 216.8k. Okay. Hall pool 281 and a progress 5 and it 276. Okay. RCADE total reward 19 lakh 200,000 RCATE record. Staking period 7 days and the time 2025 7 16. Okay, BTC pool stake BTC and earn record RCATE. Reward RCAT lakh 15 lakh. Okay, APR 0.74 percentage. Participate 3,533. Total stacked 2 2,296.13 BTC. Okay, individual staking cap PIP 10 BTC. Okay, thank you so much everyone. RCAD pool reward 4 lakh 200,000. Okay, APR APR 137.82 percentage. Participate 6,641. Okay, total stacked 575 lakh 586,642.26 RCATE. Okay. Boom pool, GT pool. Thank you so much everyone, thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share me. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, please like me. Okay. Okay, please like, follow, share. Okay. Boom pool APR boom reward boom 625,000 APR 286.15 percentage. Okay, participate 11,008 and total stack 20,300 20 lakh 310,978.41. Boom. GD pool reward boom 600 625,000 APR 5.3 percentage. Participate 10,910 and a total stacked 1 lakh 288,613.15 GD. Boom in a progress. Boom Boom, total reward 1,250,000. Boom, striking period is 8 day, and the time 2025 7/17. Okay. VLVET, total reward 500,000. VLVET. Stacking period 5 days, and Ethereum pool reward 350,000. APR 2.87 percentage. Participate 2,330, and total stacked 24,716.31 Ethereum. Okay. USDT pool, GD pool, DMC pool, DMC. Okay. INCT, BTC pool, Ethereum pool, ICNT pool. Boom pool, boom. AIN, BTC pool, AIN pool. NAM, GT pool, NAM pool, USDT pool, GT pool, MAT pool, BTC pool, MGO total, MGO pool, Ethereum pool. Okay. Order airdrop FAQ. Sorry. Update on a 6 to 27 2025 to 3,679 views and like 5. Okay. About hodler airdrop, what is the hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for a GT token. Hodler users only name to the hodler a certain amount of a GT to share airdrop token based on their high holding, participation. What are the requirements to participate in the hodler airdrop? Participation must complete identification and hold at least one GT. Okay. What is the GT holding participation limited? The GT holding participation limited may vary for each project. The specific limited will be creatively stacked in each project airdrop announcement. How are airdrop token distributed? Once you participate in this in the event, the system will begin trading your GT holding from the start of the project. It will take multiple random snapshots of every hour and calculate the hourly average. Your final reward depend on your average holding a thought out throughout the entry event. If your average holding are below 1 GT, you will not be eligible for any reward. Can I participate in a multiple hodler airdrop? Yes, yes, as long as you hold enough HED at each project snapshot time at meet the participation requirements. So you can participate in a multiple hodler airdrop. Will identically receive a token if I participate. User holding at least one GT. Can I can sorry, user holding at least one GT can 100 percentage receive the airdrop provided. They maintain at least 1 GT at the snapshot time. How to I click my airdrop token received will be calculated and distributed within a year within on your after the project and you can check them anytime under an order airdrop history. What should I do if I have not received any airdrop token? It you will not receive airdrop token. Please check if you meet the project the participation create and confirmation confirm your chitty holding at least spot snapshot time. If the issue precision, please contact customer support. Okay. How to participate in a cat hodler airdrop? Update on a 6/30/2025. 4,354 views like for hodler airdrop in an exclusive free airdrop event for a user holding GT user only name to hold on a less than a 1 GT to claim free airdrop. The more GT holding, the more airdrop reward. Claim free sorry, claim free airdrop. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like me, everyone. Please like, follow, share. Okay. How to join Get Hodler airdrop and a claim free airdrop. The log into your Get account and negative to Hodler airdrop app. Click on hodler airdrop web. Click on hodler airdrop. Select the in a progress project and click participate on the participation result can be viewed in the airdrop rewards on or the project claim page. Okay. How to claim a free airdrop ahead at Hodler Airdrop. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Please like me, everyone. Please like me. How to claim free airdrop at a at Hodler Airdrop. Okay. Okay. How to claim free airdrop. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, everyone. Okay. Hodler airdrop, hold GT and cat massive airdrop for free. Airdrop reward 0.00 and airdrop dollars 127.5 million. Participate participate 11.56 million plus and project launch 265. Okay. Oh hello hi flower girl कैसी हैं आप हाउ आर यू डियर और आपको कल जो रिवॉर्ड मिला है हम सबको आपको मिला रिवॉर्ड कि नहीं फ्लावर गर्ल no project hodler airdrop and now try launch pool participate all 265 in a progress 0 incoming 0 and 2 and it 265 GPU AI total airdrop 66,667 GPU AI participate 11,755. Okay. How are you, flower girl? Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Okay. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. SARM. Sharam. Total airdrop 2,83,333 SARM. Participate 14,800 422. Okay, very good, माशाल्लाह. फ्लावर गर्ल, कल आपको रिवॉर्ड मिला कि नहीं? वो आप नहीं बता रही मुझे. Okay, thanks a lot, everyone. कितना मिला? सही मिला था या फिर थोड़ा मिला? Okay, participates 14,822 per GT 0.6096 SARM, and the time 2025 7 10 10. Okay, RCADE total airdrop 9 lakh 600,000 RCADE. Participate 12,484 sorry 85 per GT 1.52 RCADE, and the time 2025 and 9. ठीक है, फिर सही है. हमें ज़्यादा मिला है थोड़ा सा आपसे. वैसे गेट वालों की मर्ज़ी है, वो जितना भी दें, क्योंकि प्रोफेसर को हमसे भी ज़्यादा मिला है. फिर इसलिए TANSSI total airdrop 333,333 TANSSI. Participate 600 sorry 6,980 per GT 0.1212 TANSSI, and the time 2025 7 and 9:14 G. Okay, very good. Very good. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like me, everyone. Please like, follow, share. Okay. Thanks a lot. Okay. TAG total airdrop 52 lakh 910 910,000 53 TAG. Participate 10,305 per GT 17.21 TAG, and the time 2025 7 8 13. Okay. PAL total airdrop 900,000 PAL. Participates 13,734 and per GT 0.14 sorry per GT 0.1775 PAL. Okay. कौन सा आपने सवाल पूछा है फ्लावर गर्ल? सॉरी, फिर मैंने देखा नहीं, फिर वो बोला आपका मैसेज. फिर से करें. ओके. ECHO total airdrop 1 lakh ECHO. Participate 11,116 per GT 0.3152 ECHO, and the time 2025 7 to 15. Okay. FRAG total airdrop 200 250,000 FRAG, participate 14,154 per GT, 0.0522 FRAG, and the time 2025 7/1/13. Okay. FAQ: How to participate in a how to participate in the hodler airdrop. As long as your GT holding in a get account is no less than one, you can participate and receive airdrop without looking at or staking GT. Which account GT holding with will be included in the calculation. Total GT holding in a until account, sport account, copy trading account, post account, financial account, and payment account. However, GT in a crypto loan and GT2 are excluded. How is your airdrop amount calculated? Once you join the project, the system will track your GT holding, trading multiple random snapshot every hour to calculate your average hourly holding. Your final reward in a based on your average holding during the entire project period. If your average holding are below GT1 GT, you will not receive any reward. Final token received, your average holding sorry hourly holding, all participation, average hourly holding multiply total airdrop amount. Okay, what is per GT YR holding? Okay, per GT is an unnetted value including the number of airdrop token you could receive by participating in the hodler airdrop project with 1 GT and holding it until the end of the project. Please note that per GT will change based on the total airdrop amount and the GT holding of all participate and is undated wholly. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. What is the individual participation cap? Different project have a different individual participation limited. You can check the detail page or the event announcement for more information. Can I participate in a multiple project at the same time? You can participate in a multiple project. Okay. How will the airdrop reward be distributed? The airdrop will be calculated and distributed within a 1 hour after the project, and so you're gonna check it anytime in a hodler in a launch pool hodler airdrop participation history. Okay. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like me. सावरकर, मैंने आपसे कहा था फिर से रिपीट करें अपना जो है क्वेश्चन, तो मैं देती ना जवाब आपको, वो मैसेज ही नहीं आया फिर आपका। ओके, मैं इंतज़ार कर रही थी, मैंने कहा शायद आपने भेज दिया होगा, लेकिन यहाँ पे तो नहीं आया। ओके, थैंक्स अ लॉट एवरीवन, थैंक्स अ लॉट, प्लीज़ लाइक, फॉलो, शेयर। ओके, सावरकर फिर से रिपीट करें। ओके, referral and rewards. Collect keys to open the cat for up to 500 USDT. Invite sign up trend cat price to combine keys. Okay. Open and win pack. Invite friends. Collect key price is 100. Okay. Commission ratio 30 percentage your share. People your invite share 10 percentage. Referral and reward 2024 716 2025 715. ओके. फ्लावर गर्ल फिर से अपना क्वेश्चन रिपीट करें, क्या पूछ रही थी आप? ओके. अब तो आप सुन रही होंगी मुझे. FAQ reward can be unlocked with the key. Okay. USDT features trading free ratio VIP plus $1.20 nearly listened on a cat and popular to the price pool is update tell you. Okay. How to obtain a key. Complete task to earn key prize. Completing task multiple time allows you to collect more prizes. Every 100 prizes will announcedly be combined into a key and distributed to your account. What is the what is the inventory period of the key? Okay. नहीं आया यहाँ पे, एक भी मैसेज नहीं आया आपका, क्योंकि गेट वाले डिलीट कर देते हैं ना मैसेज. फ्लावर गर्ल. ओके. How do I viewed my stake return and trading commission. You can view your cat record price records and rateable record in the data overview. Select at the bottom of the page invalid or will not be considered a reward commission. Okay. Calculation. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like me, everyone. Please like, follow, share. फ्लावर गर्ल नहीं आया भाई, मैं झूठ क्यों बोलूँगी. आपने 4 मरतबा लिखा है, आप कह रही हैं. ये मैसेज मेरे पास आया है. ठीक है. और ये मैं आप खुद रीड कर रही हूँ. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot. Please like, follow, share. Okay. MGO total reward 16 lakh 400,000 MGO. Stacking period 14 days and the time 2025 7/7. Okay. MGO pool 8 lakh 400,000 reward GMGO. APR 578.57 percentage participate 53,289 totally stacked 70 lakh 751.87 MGO. Ethereum pool APR 2.72 percentage participate 8,771 total stacked 77 lakh 25 sorry totally stacked 77,025.38 Ethereum individual staking cap VIP 1,000 Ethereum. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, please like, follow, share. Okay. MAT total reward 40,000 MAT. Stacking period 20 days and the time 2025 7 9 17. Okay, match pool. Stake mat and earn mat. Reward mat 24,000 APR 96.99 percentage participate 15,327 totally stacked 1 lakh 103,727.13 met. BTC pool reward BTC stack BTC and earn BTC mat. APR 0.78 percentage participate 5,654 totally stacked 1,946.86 BTC individual stacking cap VIP 10 BTC. Okay. FRAG total reward 750,000 FRAG staking period 8 days and the time 2020 and the time 2025 7 19 BTC pool BTC pool is taking BTC and earn FRAG reward FRAG 500,000 APR 3.09 percentage participates 2028 total stacked to 2051.96 BTC. Okay, FRAG pool is taking FRAG and earn FRAG reward FRAG 250,000 APR 89.92 percentage participate 5,014 total stacked 27 lakh 974,004.03 FRAG. Okay, thanks a lot everyone, thanks a lot, please like me everyone. NAM total reward 230,000 NAM. Taking period 2 days and the time 2025 8 1918. GT pool stack GT and earn NAM. Reward NAM if 150,000 APR 2.91 percentage participates 8,901 total stacked 4 lakh 187,529.77 GT individual stacking cap VIP 2,000 GT. Okay, USDT pool reward NAM 80,000 APR, 68.69%, participate 879, total is stacked to 2,84,948.37 USDT. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks जिसने भी अभी लाइक किया है, थैंक्स अ लॉट. प्लीज़ लाइक कर दिया करें आप लोग. And thanks a lot everyone joining my live stream. Big thanks. Please like, follow, share. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot everyone. Please like me everyone. Okay. Please like, follow, share everyone. Okay. GD pool, NAM pool, USDT pool, NAM, and total reward, NAM. 1,198,572 NAM. Staking period 20 days and the time 2025 7 9 18. Okay. एंड फ्लावर गर्ल मैं आपको फिर कह रही हूँ, मुझे आपका क्वेश्चन नहीं मिला. प्लीज़ फिर से आप रिपीट कर सकती हैं. जब हम ऑफलाइन होते हैं ना तो फिर वो उसका सवाल नहीं आता. ठीक है, जैसे हम ऑनलाइन होंगे तो जो भी क्वेश्चन करेंगे ना, जिन्होंने भी मैसेज किया होगा वो मैसेज डिलीट हो जाएगा. ठीक है, खुद ब खुद ही हो जाता है डिलीट, हमें नज़र ही नहीं आते. ठीक है, आप अब पूछें. तब मैं ऑफलाइन थी, तो फिर जब ऑनलाइन हुई हूँ तो आप देखा तो आपके मैसेज कुछ डिलीट हुए थे और कुछ थे. ठीक है, फिर से करें और प्लीज़ गुस्सा ना हो. GD pool APR 2.42%, participate 12,981 and total is stacked 12,981, total is stacked 2,380,486.96 GD. Individual stacking cap VIP 2,000 GD. Okay, NAM pool, NAM pool. Reward NAM 398,572 APR 185.99%. Participate 20,947. Total stacked 8,15,372.02 NAM. USDT pool, USDT pool APR, USDT pool reward NAM 200,000 APR 10.1%. Participate 1,773 and total stacked 2,493,507.39 USDT. नहीं देखे ना, अब भी नहीं आया. अभी आपने किया था ये जो अभी आपने ये लिखा है ना, अब भी नहीं आया. यही एक मैसेज मेरे पास आया, बाकी नहीं आया. मैं आपको कह रही हूँ ना, कैट वाले डिलीट कर देते हैं. अब तो मैं ऑनलाइन थी. पता नहीं क्या पूछ रही हैं आप, मुझे तो ये समझ नहीं आई. यस, कर रहे हैं ना गेट वाले डिलीट. अब मैं क्या करूँ, कैसे दूँ आपका जवाब. सॉरी, आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर कैसे दूँ भाई. हाँ जी, आपने इतने ही मुझे मैसेज किया, मुझे नहीं पता, लेकिन वो गेट वाले डिलीट कर दिए. जब गेट वाले वो वाला मैसेज डिलीट करने लग जाए ना, फिर वो मैसेज नहीं आता. वो वाला मैसेज फिर आता ही नहीं है. फिर आप बार बार करेंगी वो डिलीट कर देंगे. हाँ, ये भी आया है जिसमें लिखा है मैंने आपको 4 से 5 मैसेज किए हैं. ये आया है. ठीक है, ये 3 मैसेज मुझे रिसीव हुए हैं आपके, बाकी पता नहीं कहाँ चले गए. ये ओके ओके वाला भी आया. ओके माय डियर फ्रेंड. बाकी नहीं आए भाई. मैंने कहा नाराज होगी, उसने कहा कि मैंने इतनी मरतबा किए हैं. जब बंदा इतनी मर्तबा करे तो फिर वो नाराज़गी तो बनती है ना कि मैंने इतनी मर्तबा किए हैं और ये ओके जी चलें जी मेरा टाइम ख़त्म हो गया है अब ओके अल्लाह हाफिज़ एवरीवन टेक केयर बाय 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 फ्लावर गर्ल ओके आप नाराज़ नहीं है चलें शुक्र है मुझे लगा था आप नाराज़ हो गया कहा ना आपने कि भी मैंने तो इतनी मर्तबा की हैं मुझे लगा वाकई में ही जो बंदा अब इतनी दफ़ा करेगा फिर वो नाराज़ ही होगा ना ओके बाय बाय सी यू इंशाल्लाह सून ओके